Okay, here's tuning. This is a tuning video. I'll show you how. So look, this should be your E, lowest string. This is what it should sound like. Like this. This is A, next string. This is D, third string. This is G, your fourth string. This is B, your fifth string. This is last string E. There you go. One sounds like that. Start doing stuff like this.